Yo,
How's it going?
what do we got going on here?
So we are installing some Dean Speed handguards on this Scout Bobber 60. So how the mirrors install, or I'm sorry, how the handguards install is they go underneath your mirror mounts here. If you have the Bobber with the bar end mirrors though, we do provide hardware to go in the place of the mirror. So I got a little hardware kit right here. So you're gonna get two M10 stainless steel bolts, 3 washers, 2-star, 1 regular washer. The throttle side is the one that gets 2 washers. It's going to be the regular washer, the star washer, and then the hand guard. That locks it in place and spaces it up just enough for adjustment. So,
Nice.
I got a set of washers right here. So it's going to be the mirror, the hand guard, the star washer, and the regular washer, and then just get them all in place here on the master cylinder, and then just threads in place. And then once you start getting it snug, you can adjust the mirror with the nut moves independently from the mirror itself, so that way you can get everything lined up where you need it to be, and then tighten it down. The clutch side's even easier because then you don't have to worry about the master cylinder. It's going to be just the mirror or the bolt, the handguard, then the star washer, and then tighten it all in place. And then just make your final adjustments with it snug, and then go through, and then you just tighten it down in place. You hold the mirror itself. Loctite is recommended. Blue Loctite, not red. It's going to be overkill. Blue Loctite will help keep everything from vibrating out. You want to make sure that it does set fully, so that way the Loctite doesn't come loose prematurely. If you let it sit for 24 hours, it'd be ideal.
Nice.
Yeah. Cool. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.